Hey guys, I'm going to do a tornado siren test. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to do 2030 siren. I hope you guys enjoy 2030 tornado siren test or a 2-minute fast wheel. It's going to go off 4:40 p.m. So I hope you guys enjoy the afternoon's tornado siren test. And here we go. Enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy. Sorry about that, guys, but I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, just a pretty good 2030. Hope you guys enjoyed the 2030. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, turn on notifications down here. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the Federal Signal 2030. My recording of the Federal Signal 2030 in Newport, PA. Newport, PA County, Pennsylvania. Federal Signal 2030. 2-minute Fast Wail. Hope you guys enjoyed the Siren FS 2030 recording. Hope you guys enjoyed for the monthly test. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry about the others. Sorry about the other cuts in the background. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed my Federal Signal 2030 recording in Newport, Pennsylvania County. Hope you guys enjoyed the FS 2030 Fast Wail. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.